Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, let us raid my own bag. Charot. But let's do a what's in my bag. Parang travel edition na rin siya because ito yung bag ko na on-the-go bag. Nandito yung buong buhay ko. Lahat ng kailangan ko nandito. Yung tipong kapag niyaya ako biglaan overnight at kailangan namin magstay somewhere, ito yung bag na hindi pwedeng mawala sa akin. Kaya isa-isayin natin lahat. Kaya without further ado, let us start with the video. So feeling ko may mga makaka-relate sa inyo kasi ako yung type na lalo na kapag ganitong kalaki yung bag ko, meron ako mga bag sa loob ng bag. But let's start first, of course, with my wallet. Ito, syempre, kahit anong bag ko, hindi mawawala to kasi nandito lahat ng kailangan ko. Nandito ang kaperahan, nandito ang mga cards, IDs. Syempre, may SM Advantage tayo. Meron tayong Watson's card. As someone na laging nabubudol sa Watson's, diba? Okay, dito muna tayo sa hair. So, next is this spray. Honestly, parang lately lang ako nag-carry ng something to spray on my hair on the go. Ever since I tried this, I got this from Makeup Art PH. So, ito yung Color Wow na Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. So, what it does is that, lalo na kung katulad nyo ako na straight hair, flat yung hair, if you want to add volume sa roots, ayan, you just spray it and then it adds volume, literally. Pero hindi siya malagkit, hindi rin siya yung parang matigas sa hair. Kasi ako talaga, as in maya-maya lang, ayan, flat na ulit yung hair ko. So this really gives body to my hair instantly. And speaking of hair, dito na tayo sa isang pouch na dito sa bag ko. And yes, kasyang-kasya to sa bag ko na may iba pa akong nalalagay. And yung mga hair tools kasi ito yung laging mga pinapa-hand carry, diba? And believe it or not, inside this are 3 different hairstylers. Ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa. Matutuwa kayo dito, promise. Ako kasi natuwa rin ako dito as someone na mahilig mag-style ng hair. I swear, ang bilis ito makatiyo ng hair. Papakita ko sa inyo later. But yes, it's a foldable hair dryer. Ayan siya. So, pwede siyang ganyan. Pwede rin siyang ganito because I have here 2 different attachments that you can attach to it. First, we have the unfrizz nozzle. So, this is to tame your hair. Lalo na kung marami kayong baby hairs like me. And of course, that's why my hair is curled. Ito yung ginamit ko. This is the curling nozzle. All you have to do is just attach it like that. Tapos pagtapos ka na, tanggalin mo lang na ganyan. Tapos after mo mag-unfrizz, attach the curling nozzle and then that's it. Tapos store mo na ulit siya, like so. As in, ganyan lang yung space na makukuha niya sa bag mo. This is only 50mm in size and 300 grams lang siya in weight. Imagine before, pinaproblema ko, like, paano ko dadalhin to? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng pagsistiyan natin merong hair dryer. And look at the size difference. Ay, kalahati lang siya nitong hair dryer. And syempre, kapag dinay mo yung hair mo, if you want to curl your hair, you need to bring a curler. So, ito pa lang, imagine, ang laking space na makukuha nito. You can't even fold it. This is, by the way, the Dream Pocket High-Speed Hair Dryer. Don't underestimate the size of this one. Hindi porket ganyan siya kaliit, hindi na siya mabilis makatiyo ng hair. So, I'll just quickly walk you through on how I use this. So, meron siyang 2 airflow speeds. So, meron siyang low speed and meron siyang high speed. And meron siyang 5 temperature settings. So, meron siyang cold air mode, which is the blue light. Meron siyang warm air mode, which is the orange light. Meron siyang hot air mode, which is the red light. And meron siyang hot and cold cycle mode. So, makita niyo yun, nagre-red and then nagbo-blue yung light. And then lastly is the instant cold air mode para sa instant cooling to define your curls. And what amazes me about this small but terrible hair dryer is that, kung naalala niyo, meron akong video yung Dream Gleam na high-speed hair dryer. It's almost the same as this one. Like, kaya nito almost 4 minutes for my long and thick hair. So, if you have short hair, kaya niya ng 40 seconds. If you have medium length hair, kaya niya ng 2 minutes. And if you have long hair like me, kaya niya ng 3 to 4 minutes. Because kahit ganito siya kaliit, this has high-speed motor that is 10 times faster than mga general hair dryers. And baka iba sa inyo worried sa condition or sa health ng hair nyo, don't worry because this has 300 million negative ions for hair care. So it helps seal the hair cuticles para ma-lock in pa rin yung moisture ng hair. Next attachment is the unfrizz nozzle. I'm very happy na hindi nila nakalimutan tong nozzle na to because this is very important to me as someone na maraming baby hair. Comment down below, ako lang ba na kapag nakikitulog ako sa ibang bahay or nasa bakasyon ako when we travel, mas grabe yung frizziness ng hair ko for some reason. Naninibago siya minsan sa tubig, sa weather, ewan ko, ang daming factors, but this is a non-negotiable for me, so I'm happy that this is included. And this instantly tames the frizziness in yung mga baby hairs ko. So if I want to style my hair like without curling it, like yung hair down lang, embracing my straight hair, this is a necessity for me. Lastly is my favorite. Alam niyo naman, ito yung go-to ko talaga na hairstyle. So this is the curling nozzle. And alam niyo ba na kahit ganito kahaba yung Dream Air style, talagang tinatawid ko to sa mga travels. Although syempre it's not as convenient as this one. So all you have to do is from the 7 shape, ayan, number 7, you just do this to create the 1 shape. And then, you just attach it like so. Walang kahirap-hirap. And I always say this with my tutorials whenever I use this type of curler, is that make sure that your hair is slightly damp. Yung around 80 to 85% dry siya, hindi pa siya fully 100% dry para talagang mas mag-hold yung curls. So, you just get enough portion. So, depende yan kung gaano ka-thick yung hair nyo. But just enough na makikita nyo na smooth yung pag-wrap ng hair nyo around the nozzle. So, this has yung Kawanda effect or the circular airflow that will wrap your hair automatically around it. So, I use first yung hot setting or the red light for around mga 15 to 20 seconds. And then, I press the cold shot for another 5 to 10 seconds para ma-set yung curls. So, isa yun sa mga, I think, common mistakes kaya yung iba hindi ganun ka nagtatagal or hindi ganun ka-effective sa kanila yung ganitong process ng pag-curl ng hair is that number 1, masyado nang dry yung hair nila or masyado pang basa. And then number 2, hindi sila nagko-cold shot setting. And that's it. Ganun lang. As in, super handy yet it's an all-in-one hair styler. Just fold it back again. Store it in this little pouch. Tignan nyo naman gano'ng kalit. Halos ka-size lang siya ng remote dito. So this will fit in any bag. Actually, kahit kung nag-office kayo and you want to retouch your hair for some reason throughout the day, pwede siya. Like, ganyan lang kalit yung pouch. The Dream Pocket High Speed Hair Dryer, by the way, is available sa Orange app and sa Blue app. So, ilalagay ko naman yung links in the description box. And sakto, malapit na yung 99. So, I'm sure magsisale sila by that time. Actually, every double-digit sale, napapansin ko, lagi naman nagsisale si Dream. So, check nyo na lang. Ang ganda actually yung pang-gift din ito. Okay, dito muna tayo sa second pouch. So, this one, magulat na lang kayo, medyo random yung laman niya. Yung iba, random. But first, of course, we always have an alcohol sa bag natin. Hindi mawawala yan. I also have my Sunnies here. Actually, medyo space-consuming nga tong strap niya na to. Pero wala kasi ako ibang lalagyan nito. So, this is my favorite Sunnies kasi bihira lang talaga yung Sunnies na bagay sa akin. So, kapag may nakita ko na feeling ko, pwede na, alam mo yun, kahit paano bagay naman na sa akin. Ayan, kinukuha ko na siya. So, this is one of the few Sunnies na feeling ko, nagfi-feeling lang ako na bagay sa akin. So, I always bring this with me as much as possible, lalo na kapag travels. Next, car keys. Ayan, ang cute nito, no? Sa mga bunnies dyan na katulad ko, ayan. And sa mga armies. Next is my power bank. I super love this kasi before, ang lalaki ng mga power banks na dala ko. Like yung as in super space consuming and sobrang bigat. Ever since I discovered this, ayan, lagi ko na itong dala. Kahit na maliit yung bag ko, dala-dala ko to. And this one, kaya niya ako i-survive throughout the day. Kunyari na lowbat ako during the day. Pag na-charge na nito yung phone ko, kaya niya na i-save yung phone ko hanggang sa makauwi ako. Tapos hindi mo na rin kailangan magdala ng wire kasi meron na siyang mismo dito. Lozenges. Actually, laging dalawang klase ng lozenges yung dala ko. Pero ito na lang yung natira. Kailangan ko na ulit bumili. And then ito, ayan, ang random nito kasi lagi talaga ako nagpupunas ng phone ko. Ayoko kasi humahawak ng phone ko na malagkit. Alam niyo yung minsan kapag nalalagyan ng kung ano-ano or minsan oily yung kamay mo tapos nag-phone ka. Ayoko lang nung ganun for some reason. So, lagi kong pinupunasan with alcohol and then this one. Nabili ko lang din to sa Orange app. Hindi ko alam kung interesado kayo dito, kung ilalagay ko ba yung link. And hindi lang naman sa mga phone, kahit sa mga Sunnies nyo, sa mga salamin nyo, ayan, pwedeng-pwede siya. And then next is the Kikay pouch. So, ito yung tipong pouch na dadalhin ko kapag kunyari magsi-CR ako. So, syempre, meron tayong wipes. So, ito laging binibili ko ng wipes para kasya lagi sa pouch. Naglagay na ako ng extra kasi paubos na yung isa. Liners, lagi ako may ganito sa bag. All Control as a combination girly. Ayan, meron tayong All Control film. Of course, mirror. So, this one is yung from Issy kasi, ayan, very handy siya. Manipis lang siya. Tapos, meron siya yung magnified and then yung hindi magnified. Pangtali ng buhok. It's a crime kung wala kayong pangtali ng buhok sa bag nyo. It's a sign na lagi kayong magdala para hindi nyo na kailangan manghiram sa iba kasi yung iba kailangan din nila yun. I have here 2 small perfume. So, lagi ako may ganito sa bag kasi gusto ko laging nag-freshen up ng perfume. So, meron ako ng MFK. Ito yung All Rose ng MFK. Tinry ko lang siya and so far bet ko naman siya. Gusto ko yung dry down niya. Parang very sophisticated and elegant yung smell niya. And this one is my favorite. Alam niyo na to. Actually, hindi ko pa ata na-share sa YouTube. But yeah, this is yung Diptyque na La Papier. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing correctly, but I love this scent so much. And then, of course, lippies. Ito yung hindi mawawala kasi ito yung lagi kong nire-retouch throughout the day. Aside from these, meron pa ako actually dito yung Bear Hugger ni Issy. Ayan, meron pang nakalagay dito. Ito yung lip mousse nila in the shade Casual. So, yung isa kong dala is in the shade Whip na mousse tint. And then, my lip liner from Get Ready With Me. This is in the shade Holla. Alam niyo namang favorite ko to. And then, lip balm. Meron ako nitong Mentholatum lip balm. So, this one, as in, hindi siya yung glossy type ng lip balm. It will just moisturize your lips without it looking glossy. And when I want something glossy, which is most of the time, ito yung dala-dala ko. This is from Dr. Organics kasi this one has SPF 50. So, nagustuhan ko rin yung glaze nito. It's actually comparable to the Rhode one. And then second to the last is of course the Jisoo fan. Alam niyo, na-frustrate ako lagi kapag naiiwan ko to, lalo na kapag mga travel kasi ang laking tulong niya talaga. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung tawag dito sa model na to, pero I'm sure familiar na kayo sa itsura niya as someone na nakatira sa Pinas. Necessity talaga siya. And kung meron kayong kilalang wala pa nito, regaluhan nyo. And lastly, ito, regalo siya sa amin ng kapatid ko, which is really cute and at the same time, necessity talaga siya. So, this is a portable bidet. Lalo na kapag meron kayong mga pupuntahan na alam nyo, medyo mahirap yung CR, hindi nyo sure kung merong bidet, tas kayo yung type na sensitive yung tiyan, ayan. So, at least, kung hindi man para sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga kasama, di ba, makatulong sa inyo. Ang hirap kaya kapag alam nyo, nafe-feel nyo na tapos nakita nyo walang bidet. Wala pang tissue minsan. So, dapat lagi kayo merong portable bidet wipes. Ayan, dapat lagi kayo meron yan. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam to mga sis, ang ganda nitong pangregalo. Sobrang helpful niya. Lalo na kapag may mga times na talagang desperado ka na. So, yeah, I think that's it. Those are what's inside my bag. Hindi ko alam kung meron ako nakalimutang ilagay. Pero for some reason, parang feeling ko meron ako lagi nakakalimutan. Let me know kung meron ba akong dapat idagdag dito. Or meron ba tayong mga common items sa mga travel bags nyo. And let me know then kung meron bang nakatulong dito sa mga pinakita ko na na-realize nyo na, ay, parang kailangan ko rin yun. By the way, I do hope that you join my broadcast channel kasi dun kami nagchichikahan ng mga kapwa kikay ko. Usually, dun ako nag-exclusive updates about something I'm trying or a new release na hindi ko pa napopost, dun ko unang pinupost, and mga exclusive announcements and giveaways. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know kung meron pa kayong mga ibang gustong makita here on our channel and sa iba ko pang social media platforms. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as well. Thank you again for watching this video and I hope to still see you in my next one. Bye-bye!